Extreme winds caused this plane to lift up. This I-858 Purcara performs a low flyby. This plane gets stuck in the mud while taxiing. Before we head into the next clip, make sure to like and subscribe, it will be greatly appreciated. This is what the cabin crew announces before an emergency landing.
You will need to be seated in a brace position for landing. To brace, place your feet flat on the floor, cross your wrist, and hold on to the seat back in front of you. Rest your hands on your wrists. For those passengers seated in a forward row, that's row 1 and row 4, place your feet flat on the floor. Bend over, place your face in your lap, put your arms under your legs and grasp your elbow. Brace.
And a seal in the fan section of the APU failed, causing smoke to come out of the plane.